Well, what I've been working on is I updated the minimum deployment target for the MITs to iOS 27, and I wanted to start implementing the Siri AI features into the app. And what my desire is, I'm not there yet, is to be able to be out and about and be at a coffee shop and just say, "Yo Siri, check me in at this coffee shop," and then it'll do what the app does, which is save it to save that location that I was there, and then I can add a comment as well about
very
the
cool.
location, right?
So it seems like that would fit really well.
Yeah, I like the idea.
I got two questions already.
Okay,
first one, and you're probably going to answer these anyway, but the first one is, you said you updated to your iOS 27 minimum deployment target.
Correct.
Is iOS 27 required for this, for the things you're doing so far, or is it things that are already available prior to 27?
So what I was doing, because I was so unfamiliar with App Intents, everything that I've done, I think up to this point, is not required iOS 27. But the new iOS 27 has, I think it's called App Schemas, where these built-in, if you go into your App Intents and you type like maps, and of course I won't do it now, but it will give you, like all of these different schemas that tie into the systems, like everything that Siri knows about photos or maps or contacts, mail, messages. It has all these built-in schemas. And so if you say my app works with maps and you want to start, really tying in your features to the Siri integrated features, then it has these built-in features, and those are iOS 27 requirements. But App Intents was not. But I was so unfamiliar, I was just like, I'm going to go iOS 27 and just go straight forward from here. It's also easy for me to do because there are I don't have many users, right?
I was just going to ask you, what about your existing user base? Yeah. Like, are you going to be...
What existing users? Yeah, no. Me and my wife and one other guy. So, and occasionally my brother, occasionally you. And one of the things that I didn't understand until recently about the minimum deployment target, it's not like your app stops working. It just, you're not going to get any updates, right? Existing users won't get updates until they update to iOS 27. So that'll be a bridge I cross maybe eventually where I do, have a, if available or whatever. But does that answer your questions?
I think so. Sorry. Yeah, go on. So, so you've been working on adding this stuff to your this is your Midst app or not the Run one. What's the other one?
Relay Team Finder.
The new one, Relay Team Finder. So it's not that one.
No, not that one. It's it's the Midst app, and again, that's the idea that I wanted to do is check me into the location just using Siri without having to interact with the app. What I can do, what I just accomplished a couple days ago, was just to say, "Yo Siri, post a new status to the Midst," and it will do that. It'll say, "What do you want to say?" And I'll say this stuff, and it'll post this stuff to the Midst without ever opening the app. It does it all through Siri, which is great.